Dear student, today is our lecture number 7 in social science and civics. Today we will discuss about the issues of equality in other democracy. Here you will learn about how the people of other country fought for the rights of the equality. Here first I will talk about the Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks. In 1950s, African Americans were allowed only to sit at the back of the buses and were forced to stand up to offer the seats for the white American. White American means the people who live in America, who migrated from the European countries like France, England, etc. and etc. Okay, and she refused. She means here Rosa Parks, who was a black Afro-American, she refused to offer her seat, and because of this she was humiliated and arrested. After this incident, she started civil rights movement for the rights of the black American. For the black Americans, and in 1964, the American government made a Civil Rights Act and banned the discrimination on the basis of race and religion. Second name came from the America, that is the Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. was very big leader of black Afro-Americans. He was also a black Afro-American who fought against the racial discrimination in USA. He started non-violent protest for the rights of the black Americans, and he got Nobel Prize for it in 1964. His famous speech, he had given a famous speech whose starting of the speech was I have a dream. In India, we will talk about the famous writer, Dalit writer, Om Prakash Valmiki. In his autobiography, his experience, he shared his experience in his autobiography Juthan, how he was asked to sweep his classroom, school ground when he go to the school, and he used to sit on a bare floor without any mat. He shows in his autobiography, he shows how the Dalits were discriminated in our society. And next topic about the B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar, you know, his Jayanti was celebrated in whole country on 14th of April. He was the great leader, scholar and chief architect of our Indian Constitution. He fought for the rights of the Dalits to enter the Hindus in temple. He also fight for the all the Dalit Samaj or SC and ST, and because of it, our experts formed the Article 15 for in Indian Constitution to protect the rights of the Dalits. This is your today's. This was your today's topic. Whatever I explained you will learn it. You will hear it very properly. इसको आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे, और फिर इससे रिलेटेड जो भी क्वेश्चन आपके क्वेरीज होंगे, you will ask to me on WhatsApp. Okay, and learn the glossaries which I have which I send you on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.